Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great rest of your day. And today's video is going to be about three multiple things. It's going to be about recharging my AC, changing my oil, and I'm going to be painting my grill black. So let's go and get right into this video. Alright, so we have to pull the back fender off because that's where the AC is, and then the nipple to fill it is right there. We're going to see if it's going to work for my AC. If not, then there's nothing I can really do too much about it. So yeah, we're going to just get that and see if that actually works. Something happened. Something just happened. It worked? Heck yes. It just needs to be refilled, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I heard it. You heard that, right?
My fucking finger is freezing.
Sorry.
Shit's
So
fucking cold. It's fucking cold,
Is
dude.
it that empty there? Oh, it's green too. Look at that shit. That shit. It left a mark on me when he touched me with his finger.
Well, the stuff that we used is supposed to help you determine where the leaks are at. So that's why it has a color like this. So if it leaks anywhere, you can put like a fluorescent light and it'll show you where it's leaking from. Okay. The stuff that we bought.
Oh shit, I think it's leaking from my tire.
Huh?
I think it's leaking from my tire.
My finger is fucking frozen, dude. It's fucking frozen. I can't feel it. That's how cold it is, feel? I can't feel my finger.
Damn.
It feels like there's frostbite.
My engine sounds different. You can hear it.
Yeah, this thing is cold too. That means your AC pump is working.
So it's just empty.
It was empty as hell.
Yeah, it wasn't even, because down here, it would spin, can't really see it too well, it would spin the AC.
Yeah.
And it wasn't spinning.
You can buy this at Walmart for $15.
Yeah, we spent 15 bucks on it.
And you're supposed to shake it from 12 to 3. But I'm waiting because my hands are fucking frozen.
I'm gonna sit in the car and see if it feels any different in there. Alright, let's go in the car. Nice exhaust.
You gotta let it run.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to let it run. It feels better though. Is that cold? Oh, it smells weird in there. And I think I have water. I think I have water in my trunk. I have bottles.
It's starting to burn my skin.
Yeah, I think I have bottles in here. Yeah, right here.
I need to
Let's put you guys down for a second.
it's burning my skin.
You have to wash it off because it's like that cold, so it's burning your skin.
Hey, my fingers are turning red.
Yeah. Oof. Well, at least we know it works.
Now it's all over my fucking. You want to grab me the hand sanitizer out of the car?
Yeah.
Right away.
Alright, we're back, and my dad's finally starting to use gloves because he probably should have read the warning label. So I started pouring the crap out of his hand. That's how cold it was. The AC's working though, I can hear it.
Right now it's bearable because it's not going through the plunge. You're supposed to turn it 10 to 3 o'clock. You have to hold the nozzle down. It's almost done.
I feel like getting empty.
Yeah.
Well, this was just a test, you know? To see if it actually works.
And it's empty, so you gotta pop this off.
Usually you're supposed to remove a bolt here and somewhere else, but my fender line is broken.
Yeah, see, it's out.
It's out. Alright.
You'll see it turn off right now. See?
Why did you do that?
It's turning on and off.
Does it usually always do that?
I think 50 might be pretty low. Is your air blowing cold?
We'll check. Oh yeah. Way colder now. Feels super good. I'll get back to you guys in a moment. Oh, socket on there now. really had to glue it.
Dickheads, man.
Alright, my dad got the bolt loose, but we still have to see the moment of truth when we tighten everything back together, huh?
Yeah.
To see if anything happens. They glued
See,
it.
these idiots, I'll show you on the after I get this bolt off. They glued it. They used adhesive glue.
Which we don't know why. Maybe there's an oil leak or something, so we don't know if I have to buy a new oil pan or a plug, or we don't know yet, anything yet. This oil pan doesn't look that old.
No, it looks pretty new.
Yeah, it looks like it was just bought
Yeah,
not too
it's
long
gonna
ago.
shoot out.
Oh yeah, and that oil's gonna be hot.
Ooh, barely caught it.
Why is it dripping right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does that.
Oh, okay.
That's normal.
Alright, I thought we were gonna see a problem. Like, fudge.
If this oil starts leaking over the concrete, that's gonna be a problem.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to be scrubbing.
Oh yeah, because that shit won't come out. Look at that drip drop.
See? It goes back to normal.
Okay, that scared me for a bit.
No, it does that every single vehicle.
I just never noticed on the PT Cruiser though.
Oh yeah, are you recording?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you can buy these ramps. They can hold up to 8,500 pounds per each one.
They're really nice too.
Yeah, I think I paid $29.
And they do their job pretty well.
At Harbor Freight.
If you guys don't have a Harbor Freight in your area, you guys are missing out on life. I said that before and I'm saying it again. Harbor Freight is the way to go. The oil, ew.
Your oil's really black.
That's just chunky. That's disgusting. It was not that bad like a couple weeks back.
Or maybe they accidentally got this glue on here.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think they accidentally got
They
it
have,
on here.
look, they have this glue right here too. There's nothing here.
Yeah, maybe they accidentally got it on it.
Maybe, but there's glue right there too. And there's no bolt or anything that should be there. That's where my oil filter is. Right there. Super easy.
As soon as all this drains out, we're gonna plug it up and we're gonna take that filter off. Do you have that thing here? To take off the filter?
I handed it to you. You put it up here.
And buy one of these.
I bought it at Walmart for like 10 bucks.
Yep.
Super cheap.
Multiple sizes.
Fits pretty much anything.
Multiple sizes.
10 bucks.
Anything for a small oil filter to a massive oil filter.
And shout out to the people that left the socket set sizes that actually made for my car. Made it a little bit easier. Yeah, that oil just looks disgusting.
Your motor mount is gone.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there, and that shit's destroyed.
Yeah, you can tell one side of it's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it right there. It's just gone.
On that side?
Yeah, right here on the back of it.
Like, yeah, that's why I need that's why vibration so much, because I need new motor mounts.
Yeah, it looks like there's a chunk missing.
And there's one, you have to take the whole battery out in the battery like case that it sits in.
Oh, this thing's gonna be fucking hard to take out, damn it. Fucker. You fucking bitch.
Time to take the oil filter out.
You do have the right one, right?
Which one?
You do buy a
Yeah,
right size.
I did. I did the whole research. You know how you can look on Walmart?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that. And I searched in my make and model and everything. And it says it's the right size.
This is, for some reason, for the bolts you have to go counterclockwise and to loosen the oil filter, and on bolts you have to go counterclockwise to take the bolt off. For the oil filters you have to go clockwise to take it off. If you go the other way, you're just gonna ruin everything.
Damn. Good to know.
Yeah. So people that never changed the oil before, they're gonna fuck shit up.
Over tying it.
Yeah, see, you're supposed to go, this is clockwise.
Yeah.
We're gonna let it leak out before we take it off.
Yes, pretty much oil's in the filter. We're going to the filter.
If you guys want to make a big mess, you guys can just drop it. But I don't want to make a mess.
I don't want to clean it up either.
Yeah.
Cause I'm gonna be stuck cleaning.
I'm already doing this for my son, so anybody else I won't do this for. See, all of it leaked out, but there's a shitload inside
Of the filter.
of the filter. So now what we're gonna do is drain it all out.
Oh, that oil's so gross. Dude, this new oil's gonna give me 1,000 horsepower, I swear.
Yeah.
It's full synthetic Castrol.
Oh, yeah.
1,000 horsepower, here I come.
Give me that back. Try to get it all
Good thing you have
out.
gloves. Your hands would have been crazy dirty.
Yeah. Fucking, they're mediums. They're
You know,
fucking small.
guys, the best thing to do right now is start the car and magical things will happen.
Yeah.
No, I'm just joking. You're gonna seize your engine.
Since we have a bunch of gloves, if you want to give me some more.
Yeah, I'll give you some more gloves. Get some more of these bad boys. Get some more gloves.
Look at that. Look how clean my hands are.
I know, they're like super damn
They're
clean.
sweaty, but they're
clean.
Yeah, see? Fucking just throw some motherfuckers on. See? It's kind of nice. It's really nice.
There's my license plate, you know? It's beautiful. It's a fox. Alright, we'll get back to you guys when we're filling up more oil. Filter right here. Where is, there we go. My phone's recording. We got the new oil filter right here. We're about to lubricate it. And for you noobs who don't know, you don't need to use fresh oil for it.
No.
You really don't. It doesn't matter.
And so that way you won't ruin the seal when you put it back on.
Yeah, you literally can use dirty oil. It's not going into the engine.
No. And what you want to do is get inside. Yeah, you're gonna rip your gloves too, but that's all you need to do. On the outside, inside of here, and right here, and you're done. That's it. And then
Boom, and then put that bad sucker up there.
you don't want to overturn it either.
No,
Like,
just
overtighten
hand
it.
tight, or you're gonna ruin it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be stuck on there,
See, going,
and when
going,
you just can't go,
and then
boom,
you're done.
that's it.
That's it.
Obviously, for that the plug, you need to tighten it tighter, but
Yeah. You can even double check. Like
it's a little tiny bit. That's it.
That's it.
Don't go anymore. You're gonna screw it up.
Yeah. You're not gonna ever be able to take it off.
And obviously, you need oil to change your car, or you're gonna fuck your engine.
Yeah, we're waiting until it stops, but I think we might.
We already
just
flushed out. I didn't record it because it was really quick, but we already flushed out the system
We put a half a quart of oil in there.
because this thing takes 4.5 quarts, and I got a 5 quart. So
Now we're putting everything back. That's back on. Putting this back on.
and obviously, I'm gonna take a picture to make sure when we gotta change it next time.
Yeah. You just hand tight right there and put the socket on. The socket wrench.
But in a week or so, we gotta check on it, just make sure I'm not leaking anything. Or maybe like in a couple days, you know? Make sure that glue wasn't there for no reason.
Do not over tighten it. You will overstrip it.
Just nice and tight, nice and snug.
You can buy a torque wrench, but
I don't know how much torque, pounds a foot, whatever it's called, to put on it.
we'll just leave it like that.
Yep, it's
If we
good.
need to retighten it, we can always.
There's always room to retighten it.
Yeah. Make sure you put the right socket size on here too, or
You're
you will
strip
have a
the
problem.
bolt. And you're gonna have to buy a new bolt, which is not too expensive, but why waste money on
Yep,
that if
see,
you don't have
that's
to?
it. We're done.
No time to get to the top. There we go.
And it's always a good thing to wipe this fucking thing down, so that way we can check because now
If there's
it's
any
clean.
leaks.
Yeah, see, clean it off, clean it all the way. Okay. Do not kick this, please. I'm talking to you.
I know.
It's gonna make a mess. We're trying not to make a mess, and that would suck if you kick it and it goes all the way over there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then put your tools away. That's it.
And put tools away, fill it up with oil, and that's about it. Alright, we got the front grill off. Like I told you guys earlier, we're going to be painting it gloss black so my front end doesn't have a chrome look because I don't like the look of it. And once we start getting into that, I'll start recording. We took it off the car. We already cleaned it, dried it. We're letting it dry even more so it sticks really good. I'm using a thin, kind of like plasti dip, but it's glossy. I didn't want like a matte look. I want like more of a glossy look. So we're hoping it works out. I guess we'll find out if it works really well.
Blotchy right there.
Trying to fix the blotchiness.
I might put a couple coats on this thing.
Oh yeah, you definitely have to put a couple coats.
It seems kind of watery.
Yeah. It's just the first coat. Alright, we'll get back to you guys when it dries. Alright guys, that's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Everything turned out very good with the modifications we did today and maintenance we did today. So please drop a like, subscribe, socials are gonna be on the screen, and I'll see you next week.